Okay, I installed the starter exactly as it showed, and the uh, service number is 001A 077429997. Okay, and let's see if I can get this to display where the little LEDs are. Okay, oops. Hang on. Okay, so when I push the lock button 3 times, you get 3 blues, and then it goes to red, and there's a blue light flashing, but it doesn't start. And then that goes out, and it comes back on, and it does the same thing. It's solid red, but the blue light is flashing just a tiny bit, and then it times out. And I don't know why it's doing that. If I put my foot on the brake and I hit the push button start, it starts up, and the yellow light lights solid. So I'm not sure what's wrong. I tried doing the full reset with releasing the button when it was just the red LED lit up, and I went back and redid it 3 times, and each time it does exactly the same thing that it's doing now. I see there's a hood pin that says it's optional, and there's also a ground trigger. I think it's pin 15, and I'm not sure if that needs to be hooked up to something in order to make this work. This is a 2011 Sienna, and I looked at the 2011 RAV4, and on the RAV4 there were actually 3 T connectors. There was the ECU 30 pin, there was the black one that plugs in where the key is, where the steering wheel is, and there was one for the OBD2. But this one does not have an OBD2 connector. From what I can tell, this doesn't come with one and doesn't need one. So I've done everything that I can possibly think to do, and I even checked the OBD2. I read that, and there's no pending codes in the OBD2. I read online that if there's a code in there, that maybe that could cause a problem, but there's no codes in there, so I don't know what to do. And I'm hoping that you know what's wrong and you can tell me how to fix this. Thank you.